So this is in the bedroom with our tall 20-foot ceilings or something like that. There's a little storage level up there. Got a closet with some stuff there. And
you see the first to live here, right?
yep, that's why they haven't finished the deck up top.
Yeah, you have to deal with anybody's sticky cats.
Walking through.
And what is it?
24.
Is there anybody put an application for anything?
It's first come, first served. The owner requires the first month, last month, and 1 month security.
Okay.
So that should be followed.
Is it negotiable at all? Or do you know?
The rent?
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah. Just
I
wondering.
mean, the Westbrook, the whole, I'm getting, he has an extra terrace, I'm getting 28 for that one. Yeah, I really want to see the 24 for this, maybe 23.50, 23, like,
Yeah.
all over.
Yeah.
I mean, we put a lot of money into that deck.
Right.
The top. Pretty sweet.
Mm-hmm. Neat.
It's a wind floor, and that window, there's a window there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's why there's even a window in here. And up there is the